everyone, this is Ankita Arun Parande and today I'm presenting my analysis on Madrid house real estate. These are the key variables which include property details, location information, operation type, pricing information. Then these are the property features, parking information of property, orientation and energy. With the help of these key variables, we will do our further analysis. Now we will see objective of the assignment. Analyze real estate data for properties for sale in Madrid. It is a major city in Spain. Then understanding pricing, feature and market trend of property. Also provide insight to help buyers, sellers and real estate professionals to take informed decision. Now we will see goal of the project to analyze the impact of different property features such as pool, garden, new development on property price. Then segment the property market based on property types such as house type ID. Then calculate average square meter price for different property categories. Then identify top 5 most lucrative investment opportunities by calculating an investment score based on square meter built and loan interest rate. Now we will see question 1, that is data transformation and cleanup. To identify and remove duplicated listing in the dataset, how will you use Power Query to manage duplicates? Keep only the most recent listing based on the ID and is duplicated column. Focused area are Power Query, handling duplicates, conditional column. So in my dataset, I am not having is duplicated columns. So we will do our further analysis based on ID column. So these are the steps which I have performed for data transformation and cleanup. Step 1. Load the dataset. Import the dataset into Power BI using Get Data. Then it will open in Power Query Editor for transformation. And step 2. Remove duplicates. For this, we will navigate to Transform tab. Select a relevant column to check for duplicate values. Then we will click on Remove Duplicates to retain only unique records. Step 3. Handling missing data. To identify columns with missing values, then here we will replace blank values with not available to maintain data consistency. Step 4. Standardizing data formats. Convert Boolean values such as true and false into more user-friendly format, that is yes and no. Also ensure columns, data types such as text, number, date are correctly assigned for further analysis. Step 5. Apply and load data. After performing all the transformation, click on Close and Apply to save the changes and load the dataset into Power BI. Now, we will see question 2, that is price analysis based on property feature. Create a report that analyzes how different features such as having a pool, garden or being a new development affect the average property price. Which feature correlate most strongly with higher prices. Focus area are DEX calculation for average, correlation analysis and visual slicing. Price analysis based on property. In this I have used DEX measure formula. First one is average property price. In this I have calculate average buy price of property in the house metric table. Then in average price with pool, in this I have calculate average buy price of property in the house metric table, which will only include property with pool. Then in the average price with garden, in this I have calculate average buy price of property in the house metric table, which will only include property with garden. Then in the average price with new development, in this it will calculate average buy price of property in the house metric table, which will include new developed property. This is the explanation of DEX measure formula which I have explained now. So for visualization, I have used three cluster column chart and three slices for data filtering. This is the visualization. So here I have used three cluster column chart where on x-axis I have added pool, garden and is new development, and on y-axis I have added average property price. So after doing analysis, we get to know that the feature that has greatest effect on property is garden. Property with garden having significantly higher average price, that is 19 lakh 15,319.38 as compared to properties without a garden. Pool is also having a noticeable impact with an average price of 9,97,000 for properties with pool as compared to properties without a pool. But the feature new development does not seem to have any positive impact on price. In fact, properties that are not new developed have a slightly higher average price, that is 6 lakhs, as compared to new developed properties having price 5 lakh. So here the data shown in all three cluster column chart will only include properties that are having their specific feature such as pool, garden and new development. Now we will see our question 3, that is market segmentation for investment opportunities. Segment a property market into categories based on the house type ID. For each category, calculate the average square meter price and identify the top 5 most lucrative investment opportunities based on square meter build and loan interest rate. Focus area are segmentation, decks for condition matrices, and top end filtering. Average square meter price. In this formula, first we will calculate average of buy price and square meter build, and also we will filter that this will not include any blank values for buy price column and square meter build. Then we will divide buy price by square meter build. Investment score. On the basis of this, we will rank properties. So first of all, in this formula, we will sum all the square meter build, then we will sum by price, then we will divide square meter build by price, which will give us investment score formula. Investment score represent the amount of area you get per unit of currency spent on the buying the property. Rank investment. In this formula, rank X, this function will assign a rank to each property based on an expression, that is investment score. Highest the investment score value, the property will get as rank 1. Then all house Madrid means this will remove any filter if I have applied before. It will ensure that rank is based on entire data set. Then the investment score, it is an expression bin rank. Then descending, this will specify that ranking should be in descending order, means from highest to lower. So the highest investment score will be get highest rank as 1 to the property. So for visualization, I have used cluster bar chart. On y-axis, I have added house type ID, and on x-axis, I have added rank investment and average square meter price. So after doing analysis, we get to know that house type ID 5 is having highest average square meter price, that is 5,7,400.58. Also, the house type ID 5 at the cost is having highest investment rank, that is 1. Question 4, interactive dashboard creation. Design a comprehensive dashboard that includes filter for region, is exterior, has pool, and is new development. Incorporate visuals that dynamically adjust to show data such as average price, total listing, and average square meter price. Focus area are interactive reports, dashboard design, slicers, bookmark. This is my dashboard, which show Madrid real estate inside data. After performing all the questions, I have came to this conclusion that The goal of this Power BI project was to analyze Madrid real estate market by examining the impact of specific property features such as having a pool, garden, or being a new development on property prices. Then unique property identification, where duplicate property IDs were removed. Also, garden is having a significantly higher average price as compared to properties without a garden. Then house type ID 5 is having highest investment score. Then creation of interactive dashboard. The project aimed to empower stakeholders to take an informed decision, data-driven decision by effectively cleaning, transforming and visualizing the data into Power BI with the help of this analysis. So here I conclude my presentation. Thank you.